So, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, whatever time are you watching my video from. Where did you get it? Where did you get it? Huh? There are some chicken which are laying that side, isn't it? Yeah, guys, as you can see, it's early morning. For me, I just came to check over my things here to see how they are doing. But thank God everything is pushing. You see, this is let me clean up their water. As you can see, need to be clean up. Okay, clean up the water. This is the medicine water, although it looks like it's dirty, but it's not dirty, guys. I just put this one yesterday. I put on it yesterday because I took leaves, I crush it, pound it in the pounder, and then I move the water, the one I put here. My chicken used to take this one because I don't give them antibiotic in the vaccine. If you can see very closer on the feeds, I also put charcoals mixed with maybe brands, then I'm giving them to also they like eating it. Most of them, if you can see this one, most of them I remove their small chicks. If you can see that one, other side also is it's just trying want to go and get his chick, but they are in there. Yeah, it's a very good day. It's a very good day, guys. As you can see, we are pushing small, slow. Although some hens now, they are going and lay outside of the on the laying tray. If you can see here, they're supposed to be here laying. There is where they used to go under there and lay. And if you can check this side, it shows small. It shows you small. There are some eggs somewhere there. This is our big black astrolog cock. This is our big black astrolog cock. It's a early morning, guys. We are trying, guys. We are trying. See, we are having this breed of cocks. You know, for now, I don't need the cocks anymore. I only need the hen now. If you can check the small chicks, they are there. The small chicks, I remove them from their mother. They are there, happy. This is one of the mother which hatched those one which are there. Problem, if you can see, these are the three big of one is this one, other one, and the other one is that one drinking water that side. And I just want the water to get finished, and then I'm going to put in ginger mix, crushed ginger and garlic. That's what I'm giving them now. Guys, if it's your first time to come across with my video, it's still your boy Fantosh, and welcome to Fantosh on Farming. Make sure you like my video, you share my video, tell your friend to tell their friend that we are here, we are pushing small. Never give up in life, you try pushing. You see, this one it's having a problem. That's why I want to give them ginger. You see, her eyes are very close. This is her eyes are very close. It's sick, this one, eh? I want to isolate this one, but the problem now, I don't have a place to put it. Comment down below, how do you think, guys? How do you think about it? Should I isolate it or should I leave it here with others? Make sure, guys, if you like what you see, please comment down below. And this is what we do, this is what we love. It makes me happy, it makes us happy when we are here. It's an early morning, guys. You know, the reason why I give them charcoal is that charcoal, it kills some bacteria inside, and it also make their poop to become solid, not watery. And their pooping is not to poop watery, but to become solid. This is a big giant which we are expecting to grow, waiting for it to grow. It's a Brahma breed. We have breed here, guys. That's why I'm telling you, if you one of the family here on our YouTube channel, please don't watch and leave without subscribing. Watch, subscribe, and then you'll be part of the family. Whenever we are going to upload a video, whether it's talking about selling, whether talking about whatever, you'll be the first one to be updated. Why should be left out? There is a naughty hen. Unfortunately, I can't tell how this hen is behaving. If you see, as I said, it's still early morning. There is one there, the outside, if you can see it nicely. Let me zoom it for you, guys. Let me zoom it for you. That one. That hen, it's supposed to be inside, but it's there outside. As you can see, it has rained a bit. But for it, outside. This is the one which is giving me stress also, because I don't want it to get lost from predator. The chicken, they are beating each other very bad. They are beating each other very bad. Yes. If you like what you see, guys, please consider subscribe, part of the family. Until next time, bye for now.